Get the perfect searing on this chicken thigh. Cajuns cook over hardwood. Yeah. Oh, that's gonna be good. Okay, here we go. Continuing this Cajun garlic chicken. Wow. Okay, I've got two Spanish onions here, however, they're both very different. Do you know the difference? Well, I'm going to tell you. This one here is kind of hot and tangy, and this one is sweet. You're never going to know that until you try them. So I'm using one of each in this recipe. And I'm going to just give it a real quick julienne cut. Peel them up. Quick julienne like this. Also, it's really nice cutting on this end grain butcher block. When you get a little practice, you can go fast. Keep your fingers rolled back. Okay? That right there is a perfect julienne onion. Hot steel frying pan. A little olive oil. Onions all go in at once. Okay, Cajun food requires sweet peppers. Yes, thank you farmers. Beautiful peppers I've got here. I've got a red, a yellow, and an orange. I'm only going to use two of them today, so I'm going to pick the red and the orange. And once again, we're using this awesome titanium knife. Nothing sticks to it. Beautiful. Sometimes I use a smaller utility knife to go around the seeds like this. Remove them all at once. Quick and easy, just like that. And one more thing with peppers, it's a good idea to remove this bitter pith part right here. Okay? That is a perfect clean pepper. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Oh yeah, look at those onions. That's what you're looking for right there. Some color, some flavor. Oh yeah. Now you can cut the pepper any way you want to. However, when I cooked with Paul Prudhomme down there in New Orleans, he was a big fan of the roll cut. I'm going to show you the roll cut. And this is used in all different ethnic cuisines as well as Cajun cooking. Roll cut is like this. Kind of a random, almost triangle. Just like this. Right there. So that's how we're going to cut the pepper. Oh yeah. A nice roll cut. Looking really good. Another hot steel frying pan ready to go. A little more olive oil. If you're not sure how hot it is, just check it with a piece of food. It's not quite ready. And you let them cook. Vegetables are looking really good. Back to the chicken. I'm going to take the smaller pieces, put them in here. 1, 2, 3, maybe 4. Some fresh herbs. And 4 ounces of white wine. Cover, let simmer for 15 minutes. Oh, it's summertime. If fresh herbs are available, you better use them. So I would prefer oregano with this particular dish, but got an excess of basil here, so we're going to put some basil in. And it's just going to be rough chop like this. This is actually looking good right here. A little more fresh ground pepper. Cover and let simmer. I put the onions right on top. Oh, here we go. This is about 15 minutes later. Show you what's happening here. This Cajun chicken. Really, really tender. The meat's starting to pull from the bone. I've got the full flavor going on here. I'm going to give it a quick tasting. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good. Okay, the chicken is looking good. We're gonna plate it up, and quite often in traditional Cajun cuisine, we're using a nice big scoop of rice like this. I'm gonna go with 2 of these chicken thighs on here. A generous portion of the peppers and onions. And onions right across the center like this. And we can't forget, gotta have some of that natural au jus flavor going on there. That juice. Yeah. Oh, wow. It's gonna be good. Put a little more basil for garnish here. And a sprig right here. Thanks for watching. Smash the like button. Subscribe, share the videos. Oh, and try this recipe out. Wow, it's gonna be good. Oh yeah, don't forget, check out the sponsor for these awesome Kasumi knives. Ergonomic, razor sharp, superior to most other knives out there. Super steel. Couldn't have done this recipe without it. Wow. You gotta have the Cajun seasonings. This is a mixture of over 35 different spices and herbs. I really, really like it. You can only get it one place. Follow along and we're gonna get into this chicken. My standard right here, and that is this awesome Boost Mystery Oil. Love it. Second one is the board cream. Okay, board cream, good stuff. So you notice they're different. The board cream's a little bit thicker. You actually have to squeeze it pretty good to get it out of the package. And the oil is a little thinner. Your sponsors got them right there. This will be dry within a few minutes or hours. I'll just let it sit overnight. A little bit of this oil treatment is a good idea. Definitely going to oil this block. Mystery oil. You can score this at the sponsor. You just put a little bit on like this. This will restore the butcher block to its original beauty. Wow. Looks really, really nice. And the wood sucking it up. This block has not been oiled in a long, long time. So you can see it's pretty cool looking. I kind of like the character, all the scratches. However, save yourself all that work and time. Contact the sponsor. This is maple with a food-safe Varnique finish. This is maple with the mineral oil finish. So this one should be oiled monthly. Put a little oil on there right now. This one is maintenance free. You can see the difference between this oil finish and this oil finish. The main difference is several decades of use versus brand new. Okay? This has been cut on, chopped on, sliced and diced. Butchers have used tons of different knives on this block over many, many decades, and it's still looking good. Of course, the brand new is nice too. So, yeah. Visit your sponsor. Hit them up and they give you quotes, free shipping, and discounts as well. Yeah. I'll be back with more great videos to share with you. And thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah. That's the good stuff. Wow. I like it. Don't forget to score all of your maintenance products at the sponsor as well. Cutting board maintenance is so important. Follow these tips. Oh, whatever doesn't fit in your block, just get the magnet. There's a lot of knives and cleavers that aren't going to fit in the block, and that's why you want the magnet. I'm selecting this Japanese one now. Maple end grain, cherry end grain. Yeah, we gotta have that. Couple more things I wanted to go over. And it'll be totally dry by morning. Thanks for watching. Keep cooking. Have a beautiful day. Don't forget to click that little like button right down there so that we know you liked the video and you want to see more. Share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on. Contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Tip or two for you. First of all, it's okay to have mix match knives. They don't need to be a perfect set. Forged, stamped, riveted, non-riveted, doesn't matter. Use what you like what you use. Sharpening steel, it's diamond, that's an essential, okay?